Hello guys, welcome to CompuKey channel. I am presenting you with the video in which I will be answering that how you can make a quiz type of animation in the PowerPoint presentation. So when I came across a problem that while presenting the video, I want to while presenting the PPT to the audience, uh, I thought that how should I make the quiz type things. So let's see how it works, and after that I will show you the way through which you can make such a type of animation in PPT. It is very simple guys. See, as you can read the first question, effective leaders are known for their ability to. The first option is dictate order and command. The answer is wrong. What the presenter, after identifying, after guessing, let the audience guess your answer, and when they say that it is wrong, just you have to press enter and the shade will come off red. Okay, the second option, inspire and motivate others, it is correct. So as you press enter it becomes green. And the third option is also wrong. So as you press enter it becomes red again. So this is how some animation, with the combination of some animation, you can give such a type of shading in your PowerPoint presentation, and you can prepare the slides in the form of a quiz. The things become very easy. It becomes very efficient way to present both the things, PPT as well as quiz, in your PowerPoint, and your PPT presentation will go definitely very much appreciable. Okay, so let's see how it works. I am pressing escape. I came on the slide preparation page. Okay, what I did is I used all these text box. Just prepare one text box, make a multiple copy of it and rewrite the sentence accordingly. So all what you can see is are the text box. In the text box, for the questions I have gave a shading, and this shading you can also provide it. It is very easy. How to do is select the text box, go on the home tab, go on the shape fill. On the shape fill option, select this type of shading like I have selected here. So here the things become easy. For the options, I have selected the shape outline. Multiple outline you can select as per your requirement, but the more important part is to give the yes, no or red, green type of animation in the PPT. So how to do is select the text box as I selected here, click on the animation. On the animation, select fill color. Anything else will not work or might not work, but the fill color is the accurate animation for such type of quiz type of questions. Select the fill color, click on the animation pane. See, suppose if you don't find your fill color animation on this panel, so click on this double down arrow and you will find this fill color option here. Then click on the animation pane. In the animation pane, the text box is automatically selected. Suppose if I select this text box, it gets selected here too. So what you have to do is here click on the down arrow. I will show you the first one. Click on the down arrow, click on the effect option, but before clicking on the effect option you have to select start on click. Don't select with previous or after previous. Compulsorily you have to select on start on click. So click on this effect option. In the effect option, fill color will be red or green. It is as per your requirement. Suppose if you are unable to find your red and green color here, click on the more color, select your particular shading and click on the OK button. So I have already selected this red color. The styles you can select as per your wish. There is no need to select smooth start or smooth end, but if you wish you can select it. No need to do auto reverse. Sound effect if you wish you can provide. So let's see, first one, sound effect I am providing it as applause, sorry, like a bomb, and I am pressing on the OK button. You can see there's little 2-second sound effect here. I am selecting on this second box. Click again on the down arrow, click on start on click, effect option. effect option is green, so I will give sound effect of applause and press OK. See the sound effect now. So this is how you can use multiple option. You are totally free, you have total freedom to make your PPT as per your requirement. This few things you have to just keep in mind, these few settings. So what I will do is, now I will show you this whole working of this from the current slide. As I press enter in the full screen, what you have to do is present this slide, let the audience think, let them answer, and then press enter. Here I have not provided any sound animation, so it will be no sound effect definitely. Yes. Second, effective leaders are skilled at avoiding difficult conversation. No. Providing constructive feedback. Yes. Break the project into manageable tasks and delegate as per skills of team member. Yes. So as you can see, I have provided multiple options, either as wrong or right. It is up to you, it is up to the presenter how you make your PPT. So this is how you have to frame the questions. There is no need to bring any kind of apps into your or download any kind of apps into your PowerPoint. The things goes very easy. Thank you. Keep watching CompuKey channel, stay with the CompuKey channel, and you will find always the best solution to the bigger problems in a simplest form. Thank you for watching, guys.